Hi, my name is Paula Dabney. I am a 17-year respiratory therapist. I absolutely love my job. The reason that I am taking these classes is because I am applying to master's programs for physician assistant. I am looking forward to getting this journey started. I am almost done with my prereqs. I have finished my bachelor's. It has been a busy last couple of years, and I am looking forward to potentially getting started this next application cycle. I want to do more good than I already do. I love the fact that I save lives. I love the fact of watching a patient come into the ER, following them all the way through to ICU, and then out to the floors, and then home. That is a very special feeling, knowing that you had a huge part in that. I have two kids, 14 and 21. I am a busy person. I go to school full time, I work full time, I take care of a household. We have a little black dog named Lily, and she's adorable. We are very busy. My son plays soccer. My daughter is in the process of going to the police academy, and we're just a busy family. I am looking forward to getting to know you guys through these introductions, and I hope we all have a wonderful class. Thanks.